So I've got some bonuses in here, some fun stuff. I love fun bonus stuff, as you probably can tell. So this is my favorite de-stress tea. This is a combination that I love. It is equal parts of chamomile, passion flower, and lemon balm. All of these are safe during pregnancy. Passion flower in small amounts. So they're not going to want to do a passion flower supplement or drink 6 cups of it a day. But in this blend, a cup here and there is going to be just fine. And chamomile and lemon balm are both totally safe, totally healthy, wonderful, very relaxing, and full of micronutrients. So very healthy as well. So we mix these equal parts, could be anything. It could be a spoonful of each, it could be a cup of each, just depending on how big you want your mix to be. However big your mix is, you're going to put a spoonful of that into a mug of hot water. And you'll see it says not quite boiling. So once it gets to boiling, that's perfect for black tea. But if we're doing this kind of herbal blend, then we want to stop the water just before it boils so it doesn't kill off any of our nutrients. Steep it 5 to 10 minutes. That's really all you need to get the bulk of the nutrients out of it. I know some people like to steep it for days, and you can. But by about 10 minutes, you've gotten the vast majority of what you're going to get out of it anyway. For iced tea, so if you're watching this and it's summer months and nobody wants to drink hot tea, all you have to do is double the amount of tea that you put in the mug, steep it 5 to 10 minutes, and then pour it over a tall glass of ice. We do that constantly around here in the summer. So make it double strong and then pour it over a big tall glass of ice and you've got iced tea. If you want to add any sweeteners, stevia, honey, maple syrup, anything like that, do it while it's still hot, just so it dissolves more easily, and then pour it over your ice. And you can swap out different things with this too, super adaptable. So I wrote on here, lavender would be great in this, orange peel, also really good for anxiety. Did you know the peel of the citrus fruits is where the essential oils come from? You take a strip of like a lemon peel or orange peel and twist it, and you see the little squirts come up off of it? That's the essential oils. So by putting our lemon peel or orange peel into our mix, we're getting those good essential, calming essential oils in there as well in a totally healthy culinary way. So I'm not going to go out and grab a bottle of essential oil and dump it in my tea. But in a totally healthy culinary way, we're getting those good benefits. So if not pregnant, you could try valerian or hops. Those would all be great additions to this as well. In one of my other webinars, I shared passion flower, hops, and chamomile is one of my favorite combinations. But for pregnancy, I would choose one of the other options instead. And then a bonus, some relaxing essential oil blends. So my favorite one ever is that one in the middle, rosemary, spearmint, and lime. That's my favorite essential oil blend. It's relaxing, but it's also fun. It sort of smells like a mojito, which maybe is why I like it. It helps boost concentration a little bit with that rosemary. Perks you up a little bit with the spearmint, anti-anxiety, with the lime. So we've just got a good combination there. And then we've got super relax with our bergamot and lavender. Bergamot has the most research behind it for anti-anxiety, and lavender is well known for relaxing ability. Also tons of research behind it, particularly with depression, also with anxiety, really calming. This is a great one to do if you're in a really stressful situation, like a long road trip. I use this in the car sometimes. We're on a long road trip and everybody's getting kind of about being in the car still, or at bedtime. Fantastic blend at bedtime. Good for labor as well. That's a great one to use during labor. And then a happy thoughts blend is kind of fun. It's got orange and lemon, which all of those citrus are going to be anti-anxiety, so calming but not sleepy. And then clove and cinnamon, that's sort of it makes me think of Christmas, holidays. We've got our Christmas spices in there, but we have some citrus in there too. So these are 3 of my favorites that we use all the time around here that I thought you guys might enjoy. And that is all I have for you today. So hopefully you have enjoyed this, but also have a long list of topics to cover in your class, ways to present the information, engaging activities to help your students really engage with those facts, that information, be able to retain it, and start applying it in an easy, sustainable way as soon as they get home. That's the whole goal of teaching these classes. We want functional memory to be the goal, right? We want them to be able to go home and do these things, not just have the head knowledge, but be able to go home and do them sustainably.